Hi my most wonderful traders, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trading, of course using technical analysis as usual, but I'm going to be using the help of the parabolic SAR indicator. So this indicator really helps to show you reversal points on the market, and with this you're able to find good entry points on the market and make very good profit, which I'll be doing in today's video. So stay tuned until the end of the video. You might like this strategy, be able to practice with it and use it in your own trades to make very good profit. Let me get started and show you how to activate this indicator and make very good profit. So to start off, you can see that this indicator has already been activated and all the settings are by default. So you can see the blue dots above and under the chart, and the signal for this indicator is when you can see that the blue dots are above the chart. This situation tells us that the reversal has occurred and very soon there'll be the movement down. In this situation, you can open a down trade due to the downward movement, and when you see the blue dots under the chart, this also shows that the reversal occurred and very soon there'll be the movement up. But keep in mind, whenever you're using this indicator, first look at the resistance level, the support level, how price is approaching the level before opening a trade. So I'll be combining the use of these two tools and try and find good entry points and make very good profit. Let me get started. So this is the first situation. You can see after the downtrend from this point, there was a reversal. Right now the price has been trending up. You can see that the price highs and the price lows are updating. You can see that this is the uptrend. You can see that right now we have the blue dots under the chart. This indicates the reversal occurred and very soon we'll be seeing the upward movement. So here I'm going to open an up trade for 2 minutes due to this signal, and I'm going to analyze this because I think that the price will be moving higher and I want to try and make very good profit on this trade. I'm hoping 2 minutes will be enough time for this. Let's see what will happen. This is very interesting, guys. You can see that the price really continues moving up, and here I got a very good profit. So I was able to analyze everything correctly thanks to the indicator and technical analysis together, which I'm going to continue using in all my trades in today. So let me continue. So before I continue, I would like to tell you that I have a private chat in Telegram channel. In this private chat, you can learn a lot about binary trading, use my trading signals to make very good profit. You can also receive news concerning binary trading and interact with the other members of the group. If you'd like to join this private chat, simply go below this video and find the description. It has a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word MONEYTEAM and I'll add to this private chat. So guys, here I'm going to open a down trade for 1 minute and I'll explain to you why. Because I can see the resistance level at the top. You can also notice the price bounces from this level. These are the red candlesticks here. You can also notice the blue dots above the chart. This indicates very soon that we'll see the downward movement, and I want to try and make very good profit on this downward movement. I think 1 minute will be enough time for this trade here. Let me wait and see. So guys, unfortunately you can see that here there was a pullback unlike what I analyzed, but I think I should have opened the trade a bit earlier, but I realized it quite late. But I'm not going to get upset about it because I still have more trades to go. I'll just continue trading calmly. So guys, here I can see the support level zone. I can also notice the downward movement. You can see the impulsive red candlesticks forming, and after the slight pullback out, you can see that the price reversed and it will be moving down. You can also see the sticking to the level. Here you can see the blue dots that are above the chart. This signals that very soon there will be the movement downward. Let me open a down trade here for 2 minutes due to this signal, because here, according to my analysis, I think that very soon this level will be broken through because the price has a very good downside potential. And I'm using 2 minutes in this time because there can be the flat zone or there will be a pullback up, and I think the price is moving quite impulsively here, and I think this time will be quite enough. Let me wait and see the results. So I have noticed that a lot of you aren't yet subscribed to my channel. I advise you to please subscribe to my channel because it really supports me, and don't forget to like my videos, share my videos, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So guys, here we got the profit. You can see the price really continue moving down and this level was broken through. Here I got a very good profit on this downward movement, and the time was quite enough for this. Let me continue. So analyzing what I have here, actually already decided to open a down trade for 1 minute because I can see this is a support level at the bottom of the chart. You can also notice that after the slight pullback, the price reversed and you can see the red candlesticks forming. You can also notice that the price has gone beyond the level. Here you can see the blue dots above the chart and they are forming and indicating the price will be moving down very soon. So I want to try and earn money on this because I think that the price will get into the impulsive movement down, into the moment of the breakthrough, as it usually happens. And 1 minute is usually enough time for such a movement. Then wait and see the results. This is interesting, friends. You can see the price really continued moving down, and here I got a very good profit because you can see there was a breakthrough movement and 1 minute was quite enough time for this movement. And also you can see that the indicator showed me a very good entry point. Let me continue. So guys, here I can see from this point there was a reversal. You can see the impulsive green candlesticks forming. You can also see the support level at the bottom. Right now the price has been approaching this level. You can also notice there are blue dots above the chart. This means that the reversal occurred and very soon we'll be seeing the movement down. I'm going to open a down trade for 3 minutes due to this downward movement because I see there is room towards the support level. I think 3 minutes will be enough time for this trade here. I want to check and see what will happen. You can see the price really continue moving down and I got the profit here. You can also notice 3 minutes was perfectly enough time for this trade. The indicator was right and showed me a very good entry point, and you can see that combining the indicator with technical analysis works well. Let me continue. So here I can see that I'm going to open an uptrend for 2 minutes because I can notice there has been a good uptrend. Also there is a resistance level. After touching this level, you can see that the price bounced down and after that the price reversed and is again approaching this level line. So here you can see the blue dots under the chart and they are forming and also indicated that very soon we'll see the movement up. Also, I can see the very good potential for an increase here. I think the price will continue moving up to the level, and I think that this level will be broken through very soon. So on this moment, I'll try and make very good profit. Let me wait and see. So guys, it's very interesting. You can see the price go to the flat zone, but after that the price moved higher, but I got the profit here and I managed to make very good money on this. The indicator was right again. Let me continue. So guys, here I can see that right now the price has been trending up. You can also notice the price shows the green candlesticks. Also you can notice the blue dots. This means that very soon we'll be seeing the upward movement. Let me open an up trade for 2 minutes because I can see the resistance level and I think that very soon the price will continue moving towards this level. And right now on this movement I'll try and make very good profit. I'm hoping 2 minutes will be enough time for this despite a flat zone happening. Let me wait and see. So guys, it's very interesting. You can see that the price really continued moving up and the resistance level was broken through. You can see an impulsive green candlestick formed and I was able to make money on this movement here. 2 minutes was perfectly enough time for this. Let me continue. Guys, here I can see that I'm going to be working with the support level. You can see it at the bottom and also you can notice the price reversed. You can see the red candlesticks and also you can see the room towards the support level. Let me open a down trade here for 2 minutes because I can see the price highs are becoming lower and this is the general potential that is going down. You can also notice the blue dots above the chart. The indicator confirms my entry point. This means that very soon we'll be seeing the movement down and I think the price will continue moving towards the level and this level will be broken through. And right now here I'm hoping to make money on this movement and I'm hoping 2 minutes will be enough time here because I can see the price is already going beyond the level. But let me watch and see. So are you looking for a broker that you can use to trade? I advise you to use the Quotex platform and the pocket option platform. I left a link under the video. That link you can use it to sign up with a bonus. So guys, here you can see the price really continue moving down and this level was broken through and I got very good profit. You can see I made money on the breakthrough of the support level. 2 minutes was perfectly enough time for this. You can see the indicator was right and showed me a very good entry point. You can see my deposit is more than $3,000. Let me look for my last trade for today. So guys, this is interesting because here I can see the support level. You can also notice that after the pullback, the price reversed and is approaching this level. Now you can see that the price is sticking to the level. You can also notice the price has a very good downside potential. You can also notice the dots above the chart. That's the indicator signals that very soon we'll be seeing the movement down. So here I'll open a down trade for 2 minutes due to this downtrend, because I think the price will be continuing to move down and it's quite possible that this level will be broken through. So right now at this moment, I'll try and make very good profit on this. I'm hoping 2 minutes will be quite enough time for this, even though there's a flat zone or there'll be a pullback that will happen. Let's wait and see what will happen. This is excellent, friends. You can see that after the slight pullback up, the price reversed and you can see the very confident red candlesticks. You can see that this level was broken through and here I got amazing profit. 2 minutes was quite enough time for this. You can see that the indicator was right again and showed me a very good entry point. And you can see that despite I made a loss, I calmly continued trading. And right now you can see my deposit is more than $6,000. I'm going to finish here and fix this profit and leave the market. So it was quite good. Today's trades really worked out quite well. You can see that most of the trades repeat themselves. That means you can find such similar situations on your own when you're practicing, work on them using my strategy and make very good profit on your own. If you have any questions concerning binary trade, I advise you to join my private chat in Telegram channel. If you'd like to join, find the link under the video. It's a link to my personal chat. Simply write me with the code word MONEYTEAM and I'll add to this private chat. And also don't forget to support my channel. The only way you can do that is by liking my videos, sharing my videos, subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on notification so you're notified when there's a new video that is posted. I wish you good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.